Hello, this is Brian Begley with enCloud9. Today we're going to show you how to add a text field to your account records or any other record in Dynamics 365. So let's say I want to add another field, and it would be a free text field. So it would allow users to put in any sort of data they want in that text field. Let's show you how to do that. Well, first, of course, you have to be a system administrator or a system customizer in your environment to make these changes. We're going to switch over to our make.powerapps. We're going to make sure we're in the correct environment. In this case, it's a demo environment. And we are going to go open up our account table. I'm going to open up my account table. And when I'm looking at my account table, I'm going to go then to the schema section and I'm going to open up columns. Now I create a new field by clicking on new column. And then I give the name of the field I want to create. In this case, we're going to create a field for a client ID number. So I'm going to type in my field name. I'm going to say client ID number, and we're going to make it a single line of text field with a format of text. Now, while we're here, I do want to show you there are some other options. You can create a text field with an email format. So it will require you to have the @ and the .com. The value you put in that text field is properly formatted. You also have a phone number field, which when you click on it would bring up a phone dialer, text area, rich text, ticker symbol, and URL. So we're just going to do a simple plain text field. There's no advanced options we need other than what's our maximum character count. So since we're talking a client ID number, the default is 100. I might say we're going to bring that down to 25 characters. Many times you may find yourself increasing the number of characters that you would want, but in this case, we're going to say you can actually reduce the number of characters. I'll click save. And when the saving is complete, I will now go to my account form and I will open up main account form. I'm going to search for the client ID form, the client ID number. There's that field. And I'm going to click on it and it'll drop right here on my section. I might move that up further so it's higher up in the form. I may make it a required field. In this case, we're not going to do that. And now I save and publish. If I want to add this to a view, I next want to click on my back arrow and switch from account forms to account views. I'm going to find the My Active Account view and I'm going to add my client ID field onto the form. Save it and publish it. Once it's finished publishing, click your back arrow and let's switch back to our CRM tab. Do a Control F5 for a hard refresh. And after I've refreshed my screen, I'll see the client ID number field on my form. Let's fill in a number here. We filled in the number. I'm going to click save and close. And when we go back to our view of my active accounts, we'll see that this account has a client ID number. I hope that you have learned something today. Please reach out to us at enCloud9 if you have any CRM challenges you'd like us to help you with. The information is below. Thank you very much. Bye-bye.